Today we're going to be building the last one of my Retro Brighthead 3. This is the U-Wing. I don't know why we call it the Y-Wing, V-Wing all the time, but this is the U-Wing. This is 75155. Hi guys, Ralph here. So we have the U-Wing. Anybody commenting of the of before when I did the Retro Brighthead, do apologise for that. So we have a nice little run through on this. We have some stickers we got. I did take off all the stickers before, but we have a brand new sticker set from eBay. So there was another one I think I got for the is it the Falcon or the Y-Wing that are actual reproduction ones because I couldn't find any, but they're absolutely spot on for what I need anyway. So these brand new, well, brand new second hand for the kit. So I don't know why somebody wouldn't put the stickers on. There's like stuff over there, there's the cockpit stuff, because I think they are, no, they might not be cockpit stuff. Engine cowling, bit over here. Yeah, so we have all the parts. That is printed on, so no problem there. So all the parts in place, ready to go. So what we're going to do with this is we're going to go transfer this to the house, start filming there, fast forward the filming so we can see exactly, well, you can see what there is if you slow it down a little bit, but it's going to be nice, quick, fast, then I'll review it at the end and see what we've got. There you go, all fully built. So here is the U-Wing. I do get why they call it U-Wing. It's not a V. It does sweep back in a second, and I'll show you that one. So what we have spare over is, this was a full set of stickers. I took everything off of here. I thought the cockpit was a lower part, a different part, but there's actually a glass part underneath. So that took the rest of the stickers as well. Some stickers over here, here. Nice engines that just spin for no reason, but nice orange parts on the end. There are a few little parts on here that are over. So I've got some, I don't think I actually put these torpedoes, the spring launchers. And you've got the gun for the pilot. Now, how do I get into there? There's a slight problem. You will see something quite weird on this as I lift this up to you. And that front part there, they are all meant to be the same colour blue. Now, there's the white, it is a Y-Wing pilot, it is a blue pilot anyway, but he's classing this one as the U-Wing. So, yes, cool. The blue parts on the front, right. This is quite good. Let me just show you something. I'll put that in there. Click, done. You press the middle bit and you press the side bit because that came up. Right, so it integrates everything into that. So it's a really good mechanism. There's no mechanism actually at all. It's just that pops up when this is pushed into place. So that's really, really cool. I have spares of these. I haven't put the other figures into the kit yet, but here we have them anyway. So you've got the U-Wing pilot in there. You've got the 4 engines on the back. Like I said, these parts on here is a couple. They're not too bad. I will be getting new ones of these because these are all the same colour. These were obviously the retro brighting on this kit didn't turn out too well. They kind of got bleached by it, and some got really badly sunburned. So yes, I will be getting new parts for all of this, but for the time being we're just showing this off. So we have a really good side feature on here. You lift over and there you've got the interior, and you have a stud launcher. And I am not shooting that because I will lose that. The torpedoes, the air can, but you've got all inside there as a play feature. That's pretty cool indeed. The door opens up as well, same as, so you can see all inside there. Really, really cool indeed. Plus, you've also got this. I thought this was a cockpit, but it's not. You can see inside. It's really, really weird, but pretty cool at the same time. Guns on the front. You got your spring-loaded loaded shooters there. You could put 1 or 2 of the characters on there to pretend to shoot while this is flying along. Cool. I'll put those in, and the doors just hinged, a bit hinged on there. They're really simple to do, but it does actually work. The main part about this is this will not, and I repeat, will not go on the camera, because this is when the wings swoop back. So they're just basically pushed into place. So careful, there they go. I'll do this one first. They swoop back to there. Now the thing with this is, there is the ship, massive ship. Why is that big? I'll never know. So yeah, we have, it lands on its belly anyway, so let's try and turn this round a little. Yeah, there's nothing on there for the belly to actually land on, no landing gear or anything, but that's fine, it doesn't matter. The side bit's open so you can actually access, or at least see access to there, but that won't come up. It is on a hinge, but that will not come up without taking more off this parts over here. So let me get that back round again. So it is a nice swoop in. It does connect and click back into there if you listen. Or maybe not. Listen. There. So it does lock into place as a ship like that. It's a massive fighter ship. It's a fighter carrier sort of thing. Or it just goes forward, hinged in there to go forward, and holds in place with ball and socket joints there anyway. Cool. But like I said, I will be buying parts for this. The Falcon as well, we're showing, it's either before or after this. I'm not sure when I built the Falcon, but I'm doing reviews now for it. The Falcon will have some parts bought for it as well, so I'll get on to Brick Owl and have a look. So yeah, all the figures are here. All the figures have their own proper guns. Every piece is here. We are 0 parts over, because went through all the parts, and any parts that was on, let's say, the Falcon or the Y-Wing or whatever else, got into, I think we did this one first, we counted them all out. There's a little Genoso figure there with a cannon and, well, yeah, with a rocket launcher and the gun. Really, really cool. So that one is 75155. Playability, it ain't bad at all. I mean, yeah, you've got a couple of moving engines, which you're not going to do much with. Spring-loaded shooters, and you've got stud launchers on the side, you've got cargo hold. Yeah, not bad playability. It is only from Rogue One. I don't think I've seen this in anything else. But still, it's got some design elements from either or any of the major shipyards on Star Wars. So yeah, it's pretty good. Kind of like it. Shame there's no droid with this, but there's also no droid to be placed anywhere. So unless there's an integrated droid inside here, no, I don't know. That's back bit there, turns. Don't know if that's a gun or not. Right in there, but I doubt it. Back end of the ship. Yeah, actually, I forgot about this. Back end of the ship actually has a loading ramp, which goes nowhere. You cannot get inside there because there's all the structure parts. So that's fine. It might just be a base, a part in there to put a gun or two. Just hides everything away. Nice and neat. Does look pretty cool down the back. Yeah, very cool indeed. So stickers went back on because there are a new set of stickers. The original ones got off of eBay. You can find them for all of these. There are a lot of people thinking, I don't want to do them, so I'll just leave the stickers off. Or a lot of people are just selling the pieces, which I think is quite a good investment to do. Beyond Bricklink and beyond Brick Owl, and beyond stuff like that, and actually sell pieces. So if you buy one of these for 50 quid, sell the pieces for 150 quid, including stickers. Yeah, there's a lot of profit to be made from Lego. I don't want to because I love building Lego. So yeah, cool. And with that note, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, follow me on social media, consider being a Patreon to help me out with the channel, the donation, as well as being a YouTube member. And if I ever get anything on that, I will be doing exclusive videos and stuff like that. So if you want to be a member or anything like that, links are in the description below. If you want to donate, send me an email. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye for now.